my 2006 Nissan Murano. My battery lights come on, my brake lights come on, and the car just finally just died on me. And so I replaced the negative cable cord, which is this. I replaced that yesterday. So it was driving just fine this morning. So then it started doing the same thing it did before. It started slowing down, so I had to pull over, and then once I shut the car off, it just automatically died. It's not starting up or not cranking up. So I watched the video, and this is my first video, but this is what I do.